Good morning, everyone. My name is Dheera Modita. I am from grade 9 studying in Akshara Vaagdevi International School. Today, I am going to talk about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad on 13th of February 1879 to eminent linguist Agharnath Chattopadhyay and his wife Barada Sundari Devi, a Bengali poetess. Her father was also one of the first members of Indian National Congress in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu was an intelligent student who showed fluency in Urdu, Telugu, English, Bengali, and Persian. Naidu was interested in writing poetry while her father wanted her to be a mathematician. She became the part of Indian movement by showcasing her oratory skills. She advocated for women's rights and their empowerment. She also became the first Indian female president of Indian National Congress in 1925. Sarojini Naidu was a child prodigy, freedom fighter, and a poet who is known as the Nightingale of India, Bharatiya Kokila.